Uganda egenda kukiikirirwa Abaddusi 21 mu mpaka za World Athletics Championships ez'omwaka guno ezigenda okutegekebwa mu kibuga Tokyo ekya Japan. Empaka zino zigenda kubeerayo okuva nga 13 okutuuka nga 21 omwezi guno era zigenda kutegekebwa mu kisaawe ki Japan National Stadium. Dominic Otuchet, President wa Uganda Athletics ekibiina ekiddukanya omuzannyo guno wano mu ggwanga agamba Abaddusi bano babalinamu essuubi lingi tebagenda kukomawo n'emidaali.
Our athletes have been prepared enough. I know that Achiro Knight and Dradiga spent a lot of time in Europe training and competing. Shida Leni spent time here, but she also had a stint in Europe for other competitions. Halima Nakai had her training here in Eldoret and in the USA.
Abamu ku Baddusi abagenda okukiikirira Uganda kuliko Shida Leni, Halima Nakai, Peruth Chemutai, Oscar Chirimo, Dan Chibet, Victor Kiplingat n'abalala. Joshua Cheptegei ne Jacob Kiplimo tebagenda kwetaba mu mpaka zino kuba bali mu kwetegekera mpaka ndala.
The absence of Jacob Kiplimo and Joshua won't affect us anywhere. Instead, it will give us more to work hard, like they are the one who has been coming with the medals, and we also should follow their footstep, and we have to work hard and also come with the medals.
Those two, they are going for different category of race, that is marathon, and all of us here we are going for, we have sprints, we have middle distance, and we have long distance. So their absence can't really affect us because they have really inspired us.
Abaddusi ba Uganda basembayo okwetaba mu mpaka z'emisinde mu kibuga Tokyo mu mwaka ogwa 2020 ng'empaka zaali za Olympics era Uganda yawangulayo emidaali ena ng'ebiri gyali gya zaabu, gumu gwa ffeeza ng'ate omulala gwali gwa kikomo.